Hello, 4th grade. Today we're going to talk about one-point linear perspective.
One-point perspective is a way you can draw things further away using lines that go to a dot.
Here is a painting we looked at called School of Athens by Raphael. And no, not the Ninja Turtle, the Renaissance painter.
He painted ancient philosophers. Philosophers just think very deeply about things, and he painted Aristotle, Socrates, and Plato.
Anyways, let's get to the project.
The first thing you need to do is find the center of this 12 by 12 square. You're going to do this by measuring 6 inches down on both sides, and then you're going to measure 6 inches from the side 2 times. Then you're going to connect the 2 lines together and draw a line to make like a plus sign. Draw these really lightly because we're going to erase these later. Next, you're going to draw a line from the corner to the center on all 4 corners. Then you're going to erase the vertical and horizontal line that you drew first. After you have the X shape, we're going to work on the floor. So we're going to use the bottom triangle. And using your ruler, I want you to make 3 horizontal lines going down. I want you to make 3 lines, 1 going straight down and 2 at an angle to create a checkerboard-ish type pattern. In the other 3 triangles, I want you to add underwater life. So this could be fish, sharks, stingrays, octopus, dolphins, crabs, anything that is under the water.
Be creative.
We got the things inside the aquarium. Now we're going to make the glass that holds all the water. In the side triangles, we're going to make lines going up from the horizontal lines we made on the checkerboard floor. It's okay if it goes through the fish. For the top triangle, we're going to make the lines curve from point to point. The next step is to make a checkerboard pattern on the floor. So you're just going to label the ones you want black going every other one. And you're going to color these in later. If you get stuck, please ask me for help.
I want you to outline everything in Sharpie.
It's super fast Sharpie mode. After everything is outlined, I want you to color everything with crayons as hard as you can, leaving no gap.
If you want something white, color it in with a white crayon.
For the water, we're going to paint with watercolor.
I want you to use cool colors for your water, so blues, purples, and greens.
And while the paint is still wet, I want you to grab a pinch of salt and pinch it onto your drawing. This will create a bubbly effect when it's dried. Also, don't be afraid to paint over your animals because the crayons will resist it due to the wax. Now sit back and watch me paint. Once you let it dry, I want you to wipe off all the salt. The last step is to grab a white oil pastel and draw on like the top and one of the sides. This will create a cool glass looking effect. Once you're done, you have a one-point perspective
aquarium drawing. Later.